Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another Vlogmas video, you guys. So today we're in the office, as you can see, in the office, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I just got my first Get Suckered bucket in the mail, and well, I thought we were doing an unboxing. There's really nothing to unbox, you know? It just came in the mail as is. I'm gonna show it to you guys, but I got the 35-pound bucket for the first time. I told you guys I was switching over to the Get Suckered base officially, so they're the only people that I'm buying base from right now, the only source that we're going to right now for lip gloss base. So here we are, first bucket in. I'm gonna show it to you guys and we're gonna open it up because I'm very interested to see. I know it was like I had to watch a whole YouTube video on how to open the TKB bucket because I had never worked with these buckets before. When I had bought my first bucket, I didn't know how to open it from TKB. So yeah, we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna see if it's the same concept. It looks like it will be. Just cut it right here and then it should open. Yeah, I think that should be good. But yeah, let me show you. So here, first of all, talk about my little present right here. I got a present for my landlord. How cute is that? I got some Christmas cookies. I thought that was really sweet. I'm about to eat these. I am about to eat them. I'm excited. So anyway, I'm gonna open that later, but here's the bucket, you guys. This is what it looks like. Like I said, it did not come in a box or anything, no other type of secondary packaging. This is what it is. The shipping label is right here on the side of the bucket. They also have a little bit of information, my address and everything up here on the top as well. So that's pretty much all there is to this. Standard bucket, looks, you know, looks just like what I expected it to look like. I expected it to come in a box, but it did not come in a box. So I thought we were doing a full unboxing, but here it is. I'm just, hello, it's me. I mean, it's here. We really just need what's on the inside. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I don't know if you guys have purchased buckets from Get Suckered before, but this is my first time, like I said. And these are the little grooves right here that I'm talking about. So with the TKB base, I would literally just take scissors to this part right here to get it open so I could get the top off. I mean, it's secured, you know, it's sealed and everything is pretty much secure, so I wouldn't have any, you know, concerns about the shipping when it comes to like, is it gonna bust open, is it going to spill out? You know, these containers are usually pretty secure. The container does look like it's been through some things, as you can see. You know, it's a little dusty around the edges, but that's about it. Like I said, we are interested in what's on the inside, so I'm going to open it up. So this part at the top actually had the packing slip in it, and then it also had one of the little cards in here. Because I was wondering, I was like, you know, we usually get a card, sticker, something. It was up here. I usually don't ever do, like when it comes like this, I usually don't ever cut these out. So I just wanted to remove my address and everything to show you guys. So yeah, here is the bucket. Look at our yo, we mix lip gloss, okay? We mix lip gloss. Protect all of your surfaces. So if this is like TKB, I would be able to do this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this and hold the camera at the same time. I might need to stitch it. Oh, yes, I will be. All right, so I got that one. So I'm just gonna do that all the way around. So actually there was this piece right here. So when you snap this piece, you would be able to just pull it like that. But I just went through and snapped all these little things. So yeah, and you guys can see what I'm talking about. This bucket, it's a little dusty, okay? It's been through some things on the way here. But let's open this up. This bucket is 35 pounds. It's the same size bucket as you would get from TKB, but that's only 30 pounds. So yeah, I'm trying to see when I open this how far up the base is actually filled, because it is supposed to be 35 pounds. So we lifted this thing up. Do this. That must like relieve some of the pressure or something so that we can get this thing open. We're getting somewhere. My mom had to step in because y'all, claws, I was about to hurt myself. Oh snap. Oh, here we, oh wow. Yeah, so yeah, for sure. you order from TKB, you know that the bucket do not be filled up to the top like that. It be about down here somewhere. So I was just trying to see, you know, where it was gonna be at, and here we are at the top. Okay, period. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to hear. All right, yeah, so that's really all that we wanted to show in this little unboxing, showing us opening it up. So yeah, here's the base, you guys, filled up pretty much to the top. And we got orders to do, so that's what we are about to do right now. Yes, Auntie's on FaceTime, but we are mixing. Well, my mom is mixing. Period. Guess it. This is the good stuff, right? Look, look at that. Come on now. Come on. Yes, ma'am. So mommy is over here mixing. This color is so pretty. What's that you getting in there? Get suckered. Get suckered. Pineapple candy is what she's putting in there. Y'all, this is so pretty. Look. All yellow mixed with gold. Period. That is so pretty. Yes, mama. So while she's mixing up containers, I am working on filling tubes for wholesale. So, you know, we're like the dynamic duo. She does containers, I do the tubes. We knock it out, we rock it out. So here we are. She's about to pour the gloss into the container. We always put it on the scale to make sure. This is a 16-ounce container that we are filling right now. Yes, ma'am. Color is so pretty. Making sure y'all containers is full, okay? Full. Y'all, this right here, yes. Ooh, satisfying. This is that hashtag satisfying content, right? Filled to the top, okay? Period. There's a container, 16 ounces. Yes, ma'am. Get your lip gloss containers now. They are always available. The link is down below in my description. So she's gonna put the lid on, we're gonna put a label on, and we're gonna be good to go. These are the containers that mom mixed up tonight, so we're about to pack these up really quick. So these are all of the orders that I got done today, all wholesale. So there's 120 tubes in here, 20 squeeze tubes here, 20 squeeze tubes there, and 50 black brush tips there. So I'm getting ready to take pictures and boomerangs and all my Instagram stuff, but oh, they're so pretty. So we are about to pack up all these orders, and like I said, you know, gonna take my pictures and everything for Instagram. So we have all the orders like packaged up and everything in their boxes. So we're about to put some bubble wrap at the bottom and, you know, get it all ready to be sealed up, weigh them. I'm about to print out the shipping labels as well. So yeah, this person ordered some filled tubes, also some containers. So we got all that ready to go. Period. This has been just a productive work session. Like, I'm excited. You know, I'm real excited right now. I can't wait to get these done. It is officially the weekend. The weekend, hey, the weekend. What time is it? It is 10:04 p.m. We just got these orders packed up, okay? Oh, and now it is time to go home, period. Let me turn this printer off. Pack up my computer and everything. I just want to say, well, both of us just want to say thank you to everyone that is placing their orders, okay? We are getting these orders out. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all. And yes, that is the end of this video, you guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. I hope y'all are enjoying Vlogmas. I have been having a good time with this content, hanging out with you guys all month. Yes, you guys, Devin is on Twitch right now because today is Wednesday, so he's doing his live stream. So I'm just tuned into his Twitch right now, and I'm going to listen on my way home. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.